Here at Raxter Law, we specialize in bankruptcies, conservatorships, probates, business law, civil law, and real estate. We are conveniently located off of the 215 freeway, right off of McCall Boulevard and Bradley Road, across from the Sun City Fire Station in the Sun Plaza Business Center. Our office is open Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and Fridays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Attorney Jeremiah Raxter offers honest and fair legal advice, always going the extra mile to serve his clients. Jeremiah, along with his assistants, offer helpful service in real estate, civil litigation, bankruptcy, probate, conservatorships, guardianships, animal law, and adoptions. If you have any legal needs, please feel free to contact our office at 951-226-5294 or email us at contact@raxterlaw.com. We thank you. Your local law office, Raxter Law.